So friends, welcome to the series of Kucoin announcements. अगला जो update आ रहा है that is from the Vertex coin VRTX. So that coin is getting listed on the Kucoin exchange. You can see over here the article में I mentioned है, and this article came out on 20th November 23 में. You can see Kucoin is extremely proud to announce yet another great project coming to the spot trading platform, and the coin name is VRTX. अगर आपको spot में purchase करना है Kucoin exchange, then you can convert your USDT coin into VRTX coin, and that is now available on the Kucoin exchange. ठीक है? So you can see the details over here. You can see the VRTX coin on CoinMarketCap. Also, you can check out the website over here. This is the main website of VRTX. This is the trading platform. You can trade in multiple currencies on the VRTX platform itself. So trade, earn, and borrow all in one DEX. So basically, it's a DEX platform, and VRTX is the native currency of that DEX platform. That is a decentralized exchange, and that is getting listed on Kucoin exchange. Turbocharged trading engine to outperform the competition. No MEV, built on Arbitrum chain, optimized for everyone. So it is a technically token because it is not operating on its own blockchain. It is built on Arbitrum blockchain. ठीक है, यहाँ पे जाके आप ट्रेडिंग का चालू कर सकते हैं. And this is the official website of vrtxprotocol.com. Also, you can check out the white paper over here. You can see the overview, table of content, mission statement, products, hybrid order book, universal cross margin. Everything is available on the white paper itself. Also, there is the page of वर्टेक्स प्रोटोकॉल ऑन ट्विटर. उन्होंने अभी तक 2000 ऊपर से पोस्ट कर दिया है इसके ऊपर, एंड यू कैन सी 68,900 फॉलोअर्स ऑन दिस पर्टिकुलर प्लेटफॉर्म. उसके अलावा वी हैव द आर्बिट्रम स्कैन. यू कैन चेक आउट द ट्रांजेक्शन डिटेल्स ओवर हियर, एंड ऑल्सो यू कैन चेक आउट द टोकनॉमिक्स ऑन कॉइन मार्केट कैप. सो एवरीथिंग इज अवेलेबल, एंड आई विल प्रोवाइड ऑल द लिंक्स इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स.